Alright, we have a 94 Chevy C1500 and the fuel pump went bad, and to drop the tank is a major pain in the butt. And I got this idea off another YouTuber. He cut a pretty large hole in his bed, but I decided to minimize it and worked out pretty well. So basically use a cutoff wheel. I went from the end of the bed. I started at 12 inches and you go up to 19 on the other end, and so that gives you enough room to get in there and remove the assembly and all that stuff. So it's pretty grungy. You need to scrape and clean it all up before you pull that pump out, because you don't want that crap falling down in the tank. Alright, so I had this cleaned up a little bit, and I think I have to knock these little tiny tabs down. There's one, and there's one in between. And then the next thing is I should be oiling up these connectors, because that might be a lot of fun to get those loose too, you know. Once I knock those tabs down, then all you really do, I mean, this is just a lock ring, and there are tabs, so I took a hammer and tapped and rotated this thing around, so you can see it moves. So you just kind of loosen that, and it looks like it should come out. Yeah, look at that. Alright, I got this guy from Rock Auto. I think it's like 65 bucks. It's pump, fuel gauge, everything. And the reason I had to order it is because I twisted this guy off, taking the old one out. So there's the old fittings. So it's going to take a Q-tip and clean the crud out of this fitting, because dirt and rust kind of fell down in there when I was taking it apart. You know, this is the way the top looks. So I don't know, hopefully it's plug and play. We'll see. Alright, so far so good. The hardest part is getting these old rubber hoses to slip on to the pipes. I mean, they're like totally hard rubber, and they don't want to give at all. I put some Vaseline on there, but that didn't even seem to help. But these, the bend, it's nice. I mean, these go right in. Perfect. Okay, it's a moment of truth. Old pump, new pump. These are kind of hard to get to with the wrenches, but with a little work you can do it. So let's see what happens. Okay, let's see. I think I hear it running. Here we go. Ha! That was it. Now I gotta check for leaks. I don't see any. Awesome. So Rock Auto rocks. I mean, as long as this brand works good for a while, that'll be great. Alright, so that is how you replace a fuel pump on a Chevy